Hey, what's up? I just finished my latest project. Here, let me plug it in so you can see how it works. It's a clock, if you can't tell. If you've seen the Clock 2 by Biegert and Funk, you'll recognize this. When it first starts up, it goes into kind of a self-test mode where it scrolls through fairly quickly, and then all I have to do to stop it is I can just touch it here at the bottom, and now it'll continue from this point on at the normal rate. Each corner indicates 1 minute, and the letters obviously read out to the nearest 5 minutes. And then if it's going at the normal rate and I want to change the time, all I have to do is just hold here at the bottom. It'll scroll through quickly, and then when I let go, it'll just continue from there on at the normal rate. Okay, so now I want to set the time, and it's coming up on 5 minutes after 4 now, so this is a few minutes off. And I don't want it to scroll through really quickly, so all I have to do is touch it here until it flashes at the bottom, and it'll go 1 minute forwards. If I were to hold my hand at the bottom, it would, after 1 second, start scrolling through quickly. So let's see here, it's 5 minutes after 4, it is 1 past 4, 2 past 4, 3 past 4, 4 past 4, 5 past 4. There you go. Okay, so what this is just a piece of glass, a thin, I think 16th inch piece of glass I got from a picture frame. And this is just black matte paint on the front. I used stencils to make the letters, hand cut all of them. And then I used a glass etching cream to kind of give the letters kind of a smoky look, and that helps diffuse the light and makes them a little more visible, especially in the daytime. The LEDs aren't incredibly bright. And then here on the back you can see I've made a kind of a stand for it. Here are the corner LEDs up here. And I've got all the LEDs, and here's the controller and the power. So here's the back of the clock. Here's all the electronics that's controlling it. I'm using an ATmega 328, which most of you will probably recognize. And down here we have just a strip of aluminum foil covered with masking tape. And that's what the Arduino chip, or the ATmega, uses to sense when you touch the front. And then the rest of it is just being held in by silicon caulk, which is nice because it bonds really well to the glass, but it doesn't bond at all to the wood. So it allows me to take this out if I need, which I can do. And you can see here, and these just pull out. You can see that it's just a piece of wood with holes drilled in it. I painted it white to help reflect all the light and make the letters brighter. And there's the silicone rubber. I can just push this right back in. And if I take this piece off on the back, you can see all of the LEDs. And you can see that I've multiplexed them down to 15 pins, 5 columns, 10 rows for all 100 LEDs, all controlled by the Arduino.